Hey guys, this is Mrs. Martelli. I just want to walk you through how to create an account in Actively Learn so that when you click on the link, you can get right in and get into the class and get started on these assignments. Okay. These assignments are not difficult. There's 4 different little short stories for you to read. You're going to read through each one. You're going to answer the questions as you read. And then if you read them in order, there'll be week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. And each one of the stories focuses on some points that will help you to actually create the IRB reflection that you were supposed to do if you read an IRB. So if you're getting this, it means you either didn't read an IRB or you didn't complete your reflections, and I'm giving you a second chance to get a grade for that assignment. All right? So basically what's going to happen is you're going to go to www.activelylearn.com, and you really don't even have to do this step because the photograph with your class number in the email is actually a link. So you can just click on that link and it has the code for you to join. So you're going to go to student. Let's go to student sign in. You don't have an account. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's going to say sign up with. You're going to click on Office. And then what Office is going to do, I believe maybe you have to be logged into your Office 365 account, your OneDrive, and then if you're logged into there and you log in with the Office, it's going to automatically take you to not this page. So I'm going to log myself out because I think what has to happen is you're going to have to create an account at some point, and then once you create your account with Office, I did this before and I thought it worked, but I guess it's not going to work. No, because it won't forget me. There's going to be, I know what I have to do. I'm like the worst at making these stupid videos. So if I'm viewing it as a student, what's going to happen is I'm going to get to a screen where it says join one of my classes or join another teacher's class. So it might give you the option, right? It depends on which period you're in, which class you're going to join, okay? And if that doesn't work for you, then you're going to do another teacher's class, and this is where you enter the class code. And the class code is what is in that email, okay, in the box in the email. So once you join, you're going to get to the page, hopefully, where it shows the library. And now I'm going to go back to me to show you the library, and you're going to see 4 assignments, okay, and each one of them has a little tag that has the week. So this week 1, this talks about setting, so it's a little story, and then you're going to answer the IRB response question about setting. This is week 2, it's characters, so you're going to answer the IRB question about characters. In week 3 is conflict. Same thing, and then week 4 would be the resolution. So those are the 4 IRB topics you had to cover. So I'm just going to go open this one quickly just to show you what the deal is with this. So when you open the story, this is the actual assignment, right? So the week 1 was setting the problem, where and when it takes place, visual, how it adds to the understanding of what life was like for the characters, and include details about the characters or the setting that add to or lead to the conflict. As you read through, it has some questions, so you're just going to go ahead and answer those questions. This first one is a poll. Then you start reading the story, Okay, and you'll see words are highlighted. Those words always have some kind of a link that either is a note or a question or something interactive. And also, as you read through this, as you use this particular website, you can look up words that you might not know. Okay, so if you didn't know what the word squealed meant, I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try. It'll define the word for you. Okay, and when you hit that, it shows the definition over on the side. There's also a feature at the top, and you can't really see it in mine. And I think it's available for you guys where you can actually listen to, oh, I know, no, it's not at the top. I apologize. If you, all right, it's not showing it for some reason, but I believe that in this box, if you highlight some text, it'll read it for you as well as translate, or this is for the teachers to move it here. Okay, so I'm not really sure, but it might read some of this text to you too if you're having problems. So you read through it. There's going to be some questions to answer as you go through, and then when you get to the bottom, there will be a final question that I haven't added yet because so you won't see it. Well, it kind of is, but it's going to be the final question, and that's where you're going to enter your IRB reflection. And remember, I'm looking for grammar. I'm looking for capitals and punctuation, commas and periods, and I'm looking for clarity and looking for examples. So this kind of really is the question, right? Why is the setting important to the story? Use 2 examples from the text to support your answer. Okay, I might refine this a little bit for you, but that's where you're going to actually type your what would have been your IRB reflection. Okay, and then you don't even have to submit or anything. Once it's finished, I know, and I'll get a notification. And then I can go ahead and grade it and give you a grade for it. All right? Okay. Now we're done, and all 4 are going to be like that. Okay? So, this is going to be in the email, but also I'm going to give you 2 weeks to do this. So it will be due not the end of next week, but the end of the next week. All right? Actually the beginning of the week. Alrighty, so you'll have until what would that be? Looks like it's going to be after Thanksgiving, so you have even time when you're home, right, to work on it. So today's the 13th. I'm actually going to make it due by the 29th. Okay, if it's not submitted by the 29th, I will not take it on the 30th. This is already above and beyond what we should be offering you. Okay, all right, guys. I think that they're cute, fun stories, so you should have a little fun with it, and I hope you enjoy it. Alrighty, take care.